Layer 1 ecosystems have exploded in 2021. Right now, Luna is leading the way, up over 50% in the last 7 days, but a couple of major announcements have come out for Cardano and Solana that I wanted to take a minute to talk about. So if you guys enjoy short form, concise, no BS content that doesn't waste either of our time, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's hop right in. So right now, the overall crypto market is sitting at a $2.62 trillion market cap. We've seen everything relatively flat over the last couple of days, except really for Luna. Luna is up over 60% over the last 7 days, and Cardano has started to make a move as well, up about 4 to 5%. But the big news that has come out recently in terms of the overall market, before we dive into what's going on with Cardano, what's going on with Solana, and the major announcements, the big thing going on with the overall market right now is with technical indicators when we look at Bitcoin. So right now, if you look at Bitcoin, you look at 2013, 2017, and 2021, we have seen Bitcoin's price come back down below that 1.618 Fibonacci level. And why this is important is that in the two previous bull markets, as soon as we have seen a 2-week close above that level, we have gone on to reach new all-time record highs very, very soon. So the important thing is now is that we've come back down a little bit from that level. So it is going to be crucial for us to see Bitcoin's price break above that 1.618 level on the 2-week chart, break above it, stay there, and then go into new record highs. If we don't see it bounce back soon, that may be a sign that this bull market is very different from the previous ones, and maybe we're in for more of an extended consolidation period before we see another breakout. But the big news I want to go over with Solana is I want to quickly interrupt today's video to bring you a word from a brand new channel partner, Viono. Viono is a platform that allows you to earn up to 24.17% monthly interest on your crypto by simply storing it in your Viono account. This pays higher interest than just about any platform I have seen, and I'm personally going to be moving a lot of my crypto holdings into it, the ones that I don't plan on selling anytime soon, to generate additional passive income. Viono is the most advanced platform for instant crypto and fiat investments, and the only financial company to provide its services in crypto and fiat currencies in more than 200 jurisdictions. Currently, they have over 1.1 million users, so by no means is this a small company. They are insured for hundreds of millions of dollars, and this platform has great customer support, great security, and is very simple to use. Definitely an account I'll be putting more money into to generate additional passive income. I think it's worth to take a look at, so make sure to use the link in the description to check out Viono and get additional bonuses when you use my link in the description. Anyways, back to the program. First, that Three Arrows Capital just led a $4.3 million funding round for Solana-based Metaverse project called Solus. This is important because Solus is trying to create a cross-platform PC and virtual reality game built in the mold of Decentraland and Sandbox. And we have seen Decentraland and Sandbox do extremely well over the last couple months. Both of these projects, along with all the other Metaverse projects, have done so well as of recently, tripling, quadrupling people's money very, very quickly. So I want to mention this project because this one has a great team behind it. They just raised $4.3 million from Three Arrows Capital, and as soon as they launch, you will be able to start investing in them. So make sure to check this one out because it could be the next potential Sandbox, the next potential Decentraland, but on the Solana ecosystem. Solana has been dying for some play-to-earn NFT games. Now we have SolChicks, which we've talked about previously, and now Solus is another one that is going to be launching. And actually, the graphics look pretty nice here as well. Look a little bit more into the game. I'll put the link down below. Next thing before we get into Cardano is with Metaverse land sales. So speaking of Solana, all these new games coming out, we've actually seen that Metaverse land sales on Ethereum and Solana topped $100 million in 1 week for the first time ever. And this is a really, really big deal. We have finally started to see multi-million dollar land NFT sales. Me personally, I buy a lot of my land NFTs on a platform called Next Earth. I'll link the video down below. It is the pinned video on my channel as well. But what we're seeing is that more and more people are wanting to buy land NFTs, because we're seeing that these things are continuing to increase in value. And as the metaverse continues to grow and continues to expand, more and more people are going to want to have real estate on these different platforms. So whether that's Decentraland, Sandbox, whether that's Next Earth, all these different platforms people are going to want to get a part of. But now let's talk about what's going on with Cardano. So a very surprising report came out with Cardano, and that was that Cardano active addresses increased over 200% in the month of November, despite Cardano's price taking a big hit. We saw Cardano's price drop almost 50% in the last 90 days, but despite that, we saw in the month of November 2021 that the number of addresses, active addresses, increased from just about 160,000 to 485,000 wallet addresses. We have seen it come back down a little bit since then, but it is crazy to see that the number of active Solana, the number of active Cardano wallet addresses has increased this much despite all of the negative news coming out with Cardano, despite negative price movements. What this shows me is that overall the community is continuing to grow, that smaller retail investors are getting in, and that despite prices moving down, more and more people are entering the Cardano ecosystem because we're seeing more active wallet addresses. So that is a great sign. Second thing with Cardano is that Cardano-based NFT marketplace called Verlux just released their first UI demo of their platform, basically just the design of their platform. The interesting thing about this platform is that they are the first ever decentralized cross-chain NFT marketplace built on the Cardano blockchain. This is important because one of the main features of this marketplace is that users will be able to mint and trade NFTs on different blockchains, as well as switch their NFTs between chains as well. That has never been able to be done before, so this will be a very, very big platform in the future, and it's exciting to see that this one is launched on Cardano and that they finally have released some designs. Not yet available, but they do have a seed sale, which you can get involved in if you want to. Last thing I want to go over is with the big announcement, which we've talked about in a couple videos already, but that is with SundaySwap. SundaySwap is the largest decentralized exchange ever built on Cardano. It is going to be the first one rolled out, and the big announcement is coming on December 5th, where this will officially be launched like a test net of SundaySwap. So we're expecting some big movements coming up into this launch, this rollout. So make sure to just keep an eye out on Cardano's price because of this launch. With SundaySwap, we got to remember it is a test net. So while it is the largest decentralized exchange ever to be rolled out on Cardano, there's still going to be some bugs with it, not going to be, fully functioning just yet. It's going to just get better and better over time, but it's exciting to see that a DEX is launching on Cardano. They have over 220,000 followers on Twitter before even launching, and this definitely could help push Cardano's price higher. So anyways, that's what's going on with crypto right now with Cardano, Solana, a little bit of what's going on with Luna. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.